Have you ever wondered how a tiny cell from a man can create a whole new human being? It's one of nature's most amazing journeys, the story of how a single sperm meets an egg and begins the miracle of life. Let's take a close, fascinating look at what really happens inside the female body after fertilization begins. It all starts when millions of sperm cells are released from the man's body. Each one is so tiny that you'd need a microscope to see it, but together they hold the potential to create new life. Once they enter the woman's body, their real challenge begins. They first travel through the vagina, a warm and slightly acidic place, and for most sperm, this is where the struggle starts. Out of millions, many die here within minutes. Only the strongest survive and move forward. Those survivors swim upward into the cervix, which is the narrow gateway to the uterus. Here, nature helps them. Around this time, the woman's body produces a special fluid that guides the sperm and makes the path a little easier. Now, inside the uterus, the sperm must keep swimming, constantly moving their tails to push forward. It's a long, exhausting journey that can take several hours. Finally, they reach the fallopian tubes, the place where the egg waits after being released during ovulation. The egg doesn't move much. Instead, the sperm must find it. And here's the most incredible part, only a few dozen sperm actually make it this far. From millions at the start, only about 50 to 100 reach the egg's surroundings. Each sperm then starts fighting for a chance to enter the egg. They bump against its surface, trying to break through its outer layer, but only one will succeed. It's truly a race of life where strength, speed, and perfect timing decide who wins. When the winning sperm finally reaches the egg, it attaches to its outer layer. The sperm's head releases special enzymes that help it break through the egg's protective shell. As soon as one sperm successfully enters, the egg immediately locks itself so no other sperm can get in. Now, the magic begins. The sperm's nucleus, carrying the father's DNA, joins with the egg's nucleus, carrying the mother's DNA. Together, they form a brand new single cell called a zygote. This tiny zygote has all the genetic information needed to create a new life. After fertilization, the zygote starts dividing 2 cells, 4 cells, 8 cells, and so on. As it travels down the fallopian tube toward the uterus, it keeps dividing and growing. By the time it reaches the uterus, it becomes a tiny ball of cells called a blastocyst. The blastocyst attaches itself to the wall of the uterus. This is called implantation. From here, it starts developing into an embryo, then into a fetus, and over the next 9 months, it slowly grows into a baby. From one microscopic sperm and one single egg, a brand new human life begins.